maraming gusto sumunod sa yapak niya. But in 2004, 2005, wala pa rin nakapantay sa kanya. In 2005, 2006, and another for this award is J.E. Malaya Cruz. Ano ba yan for this year? Wow, ang dami talaga magagaling na actor sa Egypt. So now we are Mark De Leon for a year. Samson, Romeo and Juliet.
Let's go! Let's go!
Galing mo na din. There's Denny Sunshine as Archbishop in Camelot, She-Hulk in Romeo and Juliet, Palermo in Cuba, Canarga. Richard Gediot as Father Damaso in Don Gonzalez, Zoe is acting Uncle Frank, and Jaime Fernando in Ivo, Canarga. Juan Sagre, Paul Sagre as Sir King in Camelot, and Paris in Romeo and Juliet.
Sige, Paul.
Another nominee is Emoy Dabor, as Tata Cero. Saul Dilio, Igate, and Ivo Gonzalez. Lady Menarias, Joy Mansojo, and El Bruca. Noli Batangere, and Mercutio in Romeo and Juliet. Ronald Binagana. Asmang Kaloy.
Puro mga.
Matthew in ating Richard Nain as Shire Lawrence in Romeo and Juliet, and as Merlin in Camelot. Jeffrey Santar as Sir Capulet in Romeo and Juliet. Inyam Ula as Prince Escalus in Romeo and Juliet, and Don Cedro in Ivo, Atarna, and Ivan Camacho as Padre Camora in El Salvador. And the winner for this year, for last year, is...
Sige naman tinitignan mo.
Oh my God, the winner is Richard Gediot!